Yeah, this is Vishnu. I'm working with Amazon as a system development engineer from past 1.5 years. So initial stages of my career, I have went through coachings of JavaScript, TypeScript, React, Node.js, MySQL with Mahesh Puchaji. So I found it very well, and it actually helped me a lot in my career. Mahesh sir teaches very well each point very keenly, and like he even like resolves a lot of doubts, and he even gives some questions for solving, and problem solving skills also have been improved from my side. I initially worked with a startup, and later also it was a startup, and later I moved to Amazon, where my problem solving skills which I learned through Mahesh Pujati has helped me a lot. So that's it. So I refer everyone to get trained to Mahesh Pujati so that your career will be in a good position. Thank you.